What's up guys, it's Chresia here and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
And we sound like Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear.
Before we proceed, my last video was about a makeup tutorial, and if you guys haven't watched that video, please go check it out. I will be putting the link down below. And now for today's video, it's gonna be 10 different kinds of summer hairstyles that I wanted to share to you guys, and I'm just really so excited because ever since I was young, I already love doing hairstyles all by myself. So because of that, let's go and let's dig into the video. Oh, I almost forgot guys, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button below and hit the notification bell to keep you updated whenever I post a new video. Let's go! For the first hairstyle, I just did a simple braid at the side of my hair, then securing it with some elastic bands. Then doing the same thing to the other side. For a second hairstyle, I started doing a waterfall braid in every side of my hair. From the excess part of the hair, I just started doing a simple braid. I took the braided part and started rolling up to the center, making a little flower and securing it with some hairpins. Now our third hairstyle needs a scarf, and we are going to use it to braid it along through our hair. And by the way guys, I am just making a simple French braid. We are starting our fourth hairstyle by doing a half touch braid. I just started pulling up some hair to make the braid look a little bit bigger. I gather up all the excess hair, making a ponytail and securing it using this hair scarf tie. first hairstyle also starts by doing a Dutch braid, then I make it round all over my head and I started pulling up some hair to make the braid look bigger. I tuck in the part where I put the elastic band, trying to hide it and secure it with some hairpins. I start sectioning my hair into 3 and securing each sections with some elastic bands. I started braiding and I pulled up only the left strand of the braided hair, then rolling it over, making a cute little flower. Just like any other, this hairstyle also starts with a Dutch braid, then pulling up some hair to make it look a little bit bigger. In this hairstyle, it needs 3 sections and I did a Dutch braid in all of these 3 sections. Combining all the 3, I made a little bun and secure it with a hair tie. I started doing simple braid in both sides of my hair.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Crossing it over, I started doing fishtails. guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that thumbs up button below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next vlog. Bye!